If you're looking for more privacy on Telegram, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to hide your last seen and online status on Telegram desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who can see when you were last active, making your chats a lot more private and less stressful. Let's jump right in. First, open up Telegram desktop on your computer. Look up in the top left corner of the app, a little icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click on that. This part is like opening the control panel of your Telegram. It's where all the settings and options live. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Settings is where you can tweak Telegram to suit the way you like to use it. Once you're in your settings, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is super important if you care about keeping certain details to yourself, and it's where Telegram groups all your privacy controls. Now, within Privacy and Security, look for an option labeled Last Seen and Online. Go ahead and click that. Think of this as the control room for your online visibility. Sometimes people overlook this part, but this is where you can really make changes to who sees you and when. At this point, you'll be presented with a few choices. Under Who Can See My Last Seen and Online, choose Nobody if you want to fully hide your status from everyone. This means that none of your contacts, and not even strangers, will know when you were last online. It's like drawing the curtains in your digital home for a bit more privacy, but maybe you want a little flexibility. Telegram lets you set up exceptions using the Always Share With or Never Share With sections. For example, if there are a few trusted friends or family members you still want to let see your online status, you can add them to Always Share With. Or the opposite, if there's a specific person you'd rather keep your status hidden from, pop them into Never Share With. It's kind of like having a guest list for a party. Some people get backstage access while the rest just see the curtain closed sign. Once you're happy with your choices, don't forget to hit the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes. This bit's important. If you close the window without saving, none of your new privacy settings will stick. So give yourself a second to double check and hit that check mark. A couple of other things you should know. First, Telegram works on a principle called reciprocity here. If you decide to hide your status from someone, you won't be able to see their precise last seen time either. Instead, you'll notice it just says recently, or something similar, so both sides get a little extra privacy. Second, this setting works across devices. If you change it here on the desktop app, it'll also apply on your Telegram mobile app. You don't have to set it up in multiple places, which is definitely convenient, and that's it. You've just upgraded your Telegram privacy, making sure only the right people know when you're around. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.